Hello, welcome to Cooking Barbecue 24/7. Today I have a great recipe I'm looking forward to sharing with you. So hey, no further ado, let's get cooking. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I had a taste for some pizza, but I didn't want to do takeout or delivery with all the bread and crust and all the good stuff. So I said, hey, stop to the grocery store and make my own crustless pizza casserole. So here we go. We're about to get started. We got about 2 pounds of ground beef, a little piece of orange bell pepper, about a half a green bell pepper, half an onion, and about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. And all we're going to do is get this ground beef going, get it breaking down, get this meat done, get these vegetables soft and tender, and we're about to go to the next step. Hey, family, in the comments below, let me know what's your favorite light meals you like to make. And also, let me know what's your favorite low carb meal when you're trying to cut back a little bit. Thank you, and I may try your recipe on the channel. We're going to keep the spices simple, some fresh ground black pepper, a little bit of Lowry's seasoning salt, and a heaping tablespoon of my homemade smoked chili powder that I made. It has some heat. It has some habaneros, poblanos, jalapenos, and Fresno peppers that I smoked on the Weber and dried in the air fryer. There's a video for that on the channel, so be on the lookout. And here we go. The beef is done and I have drained off all the excess grease and it's cooling a little bit, but now we're going to add our spaghetti sauce. You can use your favorite spaghetti sauce, your pizza sauce, whatever you have in the cupboard, tomato sauce, and you can spice it up with some garlic and Italian seasoning. But I just use a jar of my favorite spaghetti sauce, dump that in, give it a good stir, and I think I rinse out the bottle with a little bit of water and make sure everything was good. Just give it a nice stir. I'm about to show you guys the secret ingredient to this recipe, mozzarella cheese. And I do not use a shredded cheese. I'd rather buy either fresh or something like this that's already in the block and either slice it myself or grate it myself. I just use a kitchen knife, cut it as thin as possible, and it's going to melt much better. And now we're about to assemble the casserole. I have my oven preheating on 350 degrees. Now I'm going to pour in all the ground beef, the vegetables, and the tomato sauce. And I'm going to add a layer, all of the mozzarella cheese, a tiny bit of sharp cheddar cheese for accent and flavor, and then a layer of pepperoni. So it's coming up right now. Hey family, if you're enjoying this video so far, please consider hitting subscribe. You'll be the first to see my family recipes and my barbecue recipes. Thank you. Alrighty, I'm about to put it in the oven, shut it down 350 degrees. This casserole cooked for about 45 minutes, and here's the finished product. Man, it smells good. I'm letting it cool down a little bit, and I'm about to show you guys. I'm going to plate it up and show you guys the finished product. Here I am about to dish it up. Man, this turned out great. Just something different. This was the first time I ever made this. Just something different. You can serve this up with some green veggies or some fruit or whatever you like. If you just want something on the lighter side, just something different with a little twist without all the bread and the crust. I want to thank you guys for taking time out of your busy schedule and watching my videos. It means a lot. Until next week, cook and barbecue 24/7.